Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to compare columns in Google Sheets, a super handy skill whether you're managing lists, checking for duplicates, or just trying to spot differences between two sets of data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly visualize matches and differences between columns, making your data analysis smoother and way more efficient. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's get to Google Sheets. If you're already logged into your Gmail account, you're halfway there. Take a look at the top right corner of your Gmail window. You'll see a little grid of 9 dots. That called the Google Apps menu. Click on that and you'll see a bunch of Google services pop up. Go ahead and select Google Sheets from that menu. This shortcut is honestly a real-time saver, and it's the easiest way to jump straight into your spreadsheets without hunting for bookmarks. Now, once you're in Google Sheets, you need to have your data ready. If you've got your sample data already saved somewhere, maybe it's on your desktop, maybe it's been emailed to you, just drag and drop that file right into your Google Sheets window. This is such a simple way to upload, and it works with CSVs, Excel files, and so on. If you're starting from scratch, you can just type your data straight into the columns you want to compare. Alright, now for the comparison magic, we're going to use something called conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Conditional formatting is basically a way to automatically change how cells look based on their contents, which is great for highlighting differences or matches without having to scan everything manually. To set this up, look for the Format option near the top of your Google Sheets window. Click that and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Conditional Formatting. Don't worry if you haven't used this tool before, it's really intuitive once you start. Now we want to tell Google Sheets how to spot matches between the two columns. We'll use a formula called COUNTIF. The exact formula you'll want to use is equals COUNTIF AAB20. Let me break that down for you. AA means we're asking Google Sheets to look at every value in column A, and B2 is the current cell we're checking in column B, so this formula is saying, for each cell in column B, does that value appear anywhere in column A? If it does, that cell will match our condition. You can copy and paste this formula into the conditional formatting sidebar that pops up. Apply it to the range in column B you want to compare. This part might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of data. Don't worry, that's completely normal. The final touch, choose the color scale or formatting style you like. For example, you might want matching values to have a green background. This visual cue makes it instantly obvious where your data lines up between both columns. It's almost like turning on a highlighter. Now any matches or discrepancies will pop out at a glance. And there you have it. You've just compared columns in Google Sheets using conditional formatting and a simple formula. Whether you're tracking inventory changes, checking lists of names, or just organizing information, this trick can save you tons of time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Got any questions or need more tips? Drop a comment below. I love helping you all out. And if you want more easy-to-follow Google Sheets tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.